Hey everyone, welcome to Periskope. In this demo, I'm going to show you how you can connect Periskope to Google Sheets so you can start receiving your WhatsApp events directly on your Google Sheets. To get started, head over to the settings page. Under integrations, click on Google Sheets. To begin using Periskope with Google Sheets, you first need to authorize a Google account. You can do so by clicking on Connect, Authorize, after which you will be prompted to finish the authorization flow with Google. After giving Periskope the necessary permissions, you have successfully connected your Google account with Periskope. Now let's connect a sheet. Click on Add New Sheet and select an account that you authorized. Head over to Google Sheets and create a new sheet. From here, copy the sheet URL and paste it back in Periskope. Make sure that the sheet that you're trying to connect belongs to the same account that you have selected in the modal. Now click Connect. In the next step, select the event that you want to receive in this sheet. Click on Subscribe. Congratulations! You should now see your WhatsApp events come into your Google Sheet. You can connect as many sheets as you like. Just make sure not to add more than one type of event to one Google Sheet. This may result in the sheet getting clunky with data. You can also add more accounts to Periskope. Just go to New Sheet, add an account. That's it. Enjoy this new flow of data from WhatsApp to Google Sheet through Periskope.